Hey guys, Kiddie on Roblox here. Here we have an Amutec slash Bafco Postman SDS helicopter. Kiddie died.
Press start.
This is a job for the Special Delivery Service helicopter.
Special Delivery Service is on its way.
There's no lever, by the way.
Delivery service.
But then there's a lever.
SDS, we'll know he's the best. Special Delivery Service is on its way.
I fly this. Then where are you? I'm flying this helicopter now.
Special Delivery Service is on its way. Special Delivery Service.
I think it was made in the early 2000s by Amutec slash Bafco. I don't really know. There's kid stuff. I think kid stuff. Or yeah, that's kid stuff. Naughty and Barney. Runaway Train.
Special Delivery Service
Lazy Town and Papa Pig
is
Rocket.
on its way.
There is a hardware error.
And that was the Bafco slash Amutec Postman SDS. Kiddie died. What was that? There was a hard something error. Anyway, this is Kiddie signing out. Bye bye.